Okay, so for this savings challenge, you've probably heard of the 100 envelope challenge. I made it a little bit different. So what we're going to do with this one is that they have numbers from 3, 4, 5, and 10. So that way I just pick a number for each day of the week, and I'm doing 365 envelopes, 365 days. And then we're going to open them at the end of the year and see how much there is. There will be over $1,000 because 3 times 365 is over 1,000. So I just wanted to make that minimum. I haven't decided what I'm doing with that yet, but we have 7 days that I have not done. So we will see if we have enough money for that. And if not, that's okay. So, oh, maybe that's not the right one. Let's see if this is it. Yes. Okay. So let's see. 3. Okay. Comment down below though, like what I should do with an extra $1,000. Should I invest it? Should I spend it? Should I put it back in the give back fund? What do you think? Let me know. And I normally do this at the end of the week as well, just to like batch it a little. Ooh, 10. Yeah. Okay. And I will put these in separate envelopes. I don't count them beforehand, and I don't like quite remember what they are because I have a really bad memory. My friends will definitely tell you that I have such a bad memory. Like I can't remember what I say. Like honestly, after comment down below if you have like a bad memory. And I shouldn't like laugh about this, but like I just, even like with this video right now, like I will not remember what I said like 5 seconds ago. Like I know we were talking about some like root canal stuff, but like I don't know exactly what I said. So that's how you know it's like real and transparent. Because anyway, what is with all these 5s? Jeez. The 5s are like the big ones too. I mean, I'm not complaining. Like it'll put more money in my pocket at the end. So that's good. I mean, I had this money anyway, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one more. Okay. This is just a really fun game to play, and I get like so motivated from it. Okay, so I will put all of these into different envelopes, and I won't total this because I don't want to know the end result or the total. And we will just put all of this to the side for right now, and I will do that off screen.